caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the.
What is up, everybody? Trippinainteasyva back here again. Today we are in Elizabeth City, North Carolina. We're here for a little brewery event, a little barbecue thing. But we are staying at the Hampton Inn by Hilton here in Elizabeth City. So we figured we would show you a little bit of the room here. This is our room right here, right by the front desk. Apparently this is a accessible room king. So if you need accessible, well, this video is for you if you need accessible. All right, we'll start off in the bathroom here. Bam, hello, there's your boy right there. All right, so pretty simple in here. We got a little weird towel rack right there next to the mirror. Never seen that before. Toilet, it's pretty spacious. There's your accessible shower. Let's kind of walk on into it right here. Let's see the size of it here. You probably can't tell because I figured the mirror would catch me, but it won't. All right, so pretty good. What do we have here? Body lotion, hand soap, and then we have the others right there in the shower. All right, we come out here. It is a conjoining room. We have a full body mirror, as per usual. There is a microwave, so that's good. Let's open up this closet. There's your closet right there. Luggage rack. That looks like some extra bed sheets and stuff. Here is the actual bed and the lady. Okay, I guess we got a little a thing here. She decided to pull that out from underneath. Here's your TV. Not too bad of a size. Your little desk to work on stuff. AC. Little chair. There's some art on the wall as well. There is some plugs by the rooms right there. And I believe there is a, you said there's a fridge, right?
Okay.
Which one has the fridge?
So this one is a food rack.
Okay, let's see, put some food there. That's pretty neat. And there's your fridge. Is it actually cold?
Oops.
Oh, wow. That's a light fridge. Either that or she's just really strong. No, she's not. She can't even get the door open.
No ice thing. It's just
Is it cold though? Like,
yeah.
okay. All right, so we are here again, like we were for a little brewery thing, but we just wanted to give you guys a quick little room tour of this place. Nothing too fancy, just your basic run-of-the-mill room.
Like escorters.
Yeah. So as of right now, because of when we're filming this, that big Windows thing happened yesterday. We're filming this on the 20th, so the 19th or 18th, that big thing. But apparently their system is down. They can't make room cards, and you can't get a digital key. So every time we have to come to our room, we have to go to the front desk, and they have to come escort us here. Which I do understand that it's not the hotel's fault that their room keys aren't working, but we didn't find that out till we got here. They didn't, it would have been nice if they would have said something to us beforehand, and then maybe we could have found different accommodations or maybe push the trip off to another week or something. But yeah, so we have to go every time, go to the front desk, and they have to hand walk us to our room. So here's the view from the window. There is something going up and down, it looks like.
No,
But
it's this thing rolling, but there's no.
okay, so that's broken. All right, the window roller is broken. But there's the view right there, parking lot, construction next door. But here we are, and yeah, that's all I got for you. So make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below your favorite hotel in your area. Maybe we'll check it out. And if you want to check out that crab barbecue fest, then make sure you subscribe. So as always, Trip It Ain't Easy. The show is fun.